This is Mark. He's a CEO that is having a few telecom and IT headaches. The international telecom service providers he's currently using are just not delivering the level of service, efficiencies, low costs or security levels that his company desperately needs. But finding the right type of service that can cut costs and grow with their international needs is just too time-consuming and confusing to contemplate. Well, that was until he discovered Cameo Global. Cameo Global are a Cisco-certified cloud and managed service provider that specialize in sourcing the right custom solutions for your IT, telecom, and network needs cost-effectively and 100% hassle-free. Cameo Global can offer SD-WAN solutions that seamlessly control your whole network, reduce costs, and improve security so you can rest assured you are always being protected for complete peace of mind. So whether you have 2 locations or 40, Cameo Global have a guaranteed custom solution for you. Their solutions can, where needed, combine an existing MPLS with an internet-based SD-WAN, migrate you to Microsoft Azure simply and easily, deliver SD-WAN with IDS and IPS included, seamlessly migrate you without interrupting any current WAN, handle the whole process from start to finish with guaranteed network continuity. Mark is happy now. His migration with Cameo Global went smoothly and efficiently, without any interruption. Everything is straightforward and easy to use. Costs have gone down, efficiencies have gone up, and their internet security now complies with the most stringent of security standards that guarantees long-term peace of mind. Why not see what Cameo Global can do for you? Cameo Global, not the largest, but definitely the smartest.